Rrb Ntpc typing test. The typing test for the Rrb Ntpc exam is a skill-based exam which is of qualifying nature and thus will not be counted towards the final merit list. The candidates should be able to type 30 words per minute (WPM) in English or 25 WPM in Hindi on a personal computer without the aid of any editing and spell-checking tools. Candidates can solve Rrb Ntpc question papers at the linked article. This will help the aspirants understand and apprehend the type of questions asked in the exam based on the Rrb exam syllabus. Rrb medical exam. Candidates need to follow a requisite physical fitness test in order to ensure that they are physically fit to carry out Indian Railways duties. Visual acuity standard is one of the important criteria of medical fitness of railway staff. ऐसे और वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर कीजिए।